How to pay Capital One credit card without bank account. Visit a Capital One branch or an authorized payment location, such as certain retail stores or grocery stores that accept payments for Capital One accounts. Use a prepaid debit card or a money pack to make your payment. Some payment methods like money pack can be used to transfer funds directly to your credit card account. These services often allow you to pay bills directly, including credit card bills. Check with the service provider for details on how to make payments to Capital One. Some locations accept cash payments for credit card bills. Check with Capital One or local payment centers for details on where you can pay with cash. Use online services like PayPal or similar platforms if they offer bill payment options for credit card accounts. Check with Capital One for the most accurate and up-to-date payment methods available to you. Thanks for watching.